We should have started by now. I've got to get to the lab. Oh, hi there. Thank you for attending our Aerofest booth. At Lattice, we've been working on some pretty amazing stuff that I'd be delighted to show you. Lattice is a key innovator in programmable logic since 1983, encompassing the largest breadth of products including CPLDs, mixed signal solutions, and FPGAs. We have instant-on, non-volatile FPGAs using flash technology, and low-cost SRAM FPGAs loaded with system features like EBRs, PLLs, DLLs, on-chip oscillators, DSP blocks, ultra-high-speed interfaces for source synchronous I/O, and 3 gigabit SerDes. Today, we're going to show you the EasyLCD module, jointly developed by Aero Italy and CTEC, an XOR international company featuring our ECP2 50K LUT FPGA. The EasyLCD board is a multi-purpose video controller targeted for TFT displays, perfect for industrial applications. Bob, what's going on here? Why wasn't this done yesterday? I've got an important presentation, you do know that. Pardon me for a moment, we're having some technical difficulties. We'll be right back with you. Just get it done. Sorry about that. The EasyLCD demo that you're about to see uses the Lattice ECP2 FPGA as a framework for the system-on-a-chip graphics and video implementation. This architecture enables simplified FPGA design and integration with IP blocks. Let's start with a closer look at the ECP2. Bob, are you about ready to run those slides? Bob? Bob? The ECP2 is a low-cost FPGA with high-performance features. Bob, we have a problem. Bob, the ladder. The ECP2 is a low-cost FPGA with high-performance features. It has up to 68K LUTs, 1.1 megabits of embedded block RAM, DSP blocks, and high-performance I/Os. This family uses the 90nm process from Fujitsu, so it's very robust, proven technology with an incredible value, which costs as low as 50 cents per KLUT. There is also an ECP2M family that is a superset of the ECP2 with up to 5.3 megabits of EBR and 16 channels of 3.125 gigabits per second SerDes. Our demo uses the ECP2 device, so we will focus on this family today. A slice is defined as 2 LUT4 register pairs with a great deal of configuration flexibility, as we see here in the blueprint schematic. The registers can be configured as a flip-flop or as a latch. 4 slices make up a PFU, or programmable function unit. The ECP2 contains 18 K-bit embedded block RAM with 3 to 60 blocks available, which translates to 1.1 megabits of memory. EBRs can be used as ROM, single-port RAM, pseudo-dual-port RAM, and true dual-port RAM. Each device has up to 6 standard phase-lock loops. Input frequency range for the PLL is 33 to 420 MHz without an external capacitor. There is an on-chip oscillator on the ECP2 devices to provide a low-cost clock for circuits such as non-timing critical state machines. Oscillator nominal range is 2.5 MHz to 130 MHz. The oscillator drives internal routing and can be routed off-chip. The Lattice ECP2 family also includes full-featured sys DSP blocks. Each block consists of a pair of programmable multipliers up to 36 by 36 wide and programmable adders, subtractors, accumulators, and pipeline registers. There are pre-engineered hardware circuits for I/O logic support. They provide easy designs for DDR1 and DDR2 memory interfaces up to 533 megabits per second. The DDR strobe timing is a challenge to do over process, voltage, and temperature variations in an FPGA with generic I/Os, so this dedicated circuit removes a lot of designer headaches. The Lattice ECP2 family provides a great solution for a wide range of applications in telecom, datacom, computing, commercial, and industrial markets. And industrial markets are exactly where the C-Tech board we are about to see was designed to be used. Bob, you've got 2 minutes. This demo board is from a mature industrial product line from Exor, who have full development tools to speed up your system design, screen design, communications engines like Zigbee, Bluetooth, and CAN, and even a standalone processor. And with the easy-to-use Lattice ISP Lever and IP Express FPGA tools, you have a complete solution for your video designs. The C-Tech board is a great prototyping tool. It supports many different or even multiple LCD displays, and you can use only the parts of the IP you need and scale the design accordingly. The board uses full-featured 50K LUT ECP2, which uses parallel processing for graphics as well as real-time video display. The DSP blocks allow computational intensive operations like cropping, trimming, scaling, and the abundance of EBRs allow lots of functionality in a very small device. So let's have a look at that demo. We'll start with some simple stuff. Using the EasyLCD configurator, we're going to create some simple graphic elements, lines, rectangles, and text. You can see the control you have over the display with these simple pattern tests. That's quite enough, Bob. Thank you. The EasyLCD supports displays, including those with built-in touchscreen capabilities. Here's an interactive test to measure the accuracy of touchscreen to display operations. Very cute, Bob. This is the touch cell demo. You can see that as you touch a square, the square and adjacent squares change color, illustrating some more complex programming with the touchscreen display. Okay, Bob, we get the idea. Let's move on, shall we? We can also upload images directly to the display like Bob. But any image at all can be imported with a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels. Please clear the screen, Bob. Here's the coffee machine demo that shows animation, graphics overlay, touchscreen interactivity, and live video. How do you do that, Bob? Here's another example of a sophisticated demo with an automotive flair. Bob, can you show the headlight switch for our audience? Great. And how about the interior light dimmer? Perfect. That went well. Let's give Bob a big round of applause for making things happen. Thank you, Bob. That's it for the show. Thank you all for coming. For more information on the C-Tech board, the ECP2, or any of the other of our products, please talk to the Lattice representative or FAE at the booth. See you next time, Bob. I'm shutting down the demo.
Bye.